Hello and what's up, madlang people? Just be warned, boys and girls, please don't try this at home. It's very dangerous. As you have seen on the intro, I was using a microphone and at the same time I'm using my guitar. It's the talk box as requested by Sir Makmak Tindig. So here it is, guys. Okay guys, so this is the setup. The guitar, I put a splitter here. If you can find a mono splitter, it will be better. This one I'm using is stereo. It plays up a little bit because the jack for guitar input is mono, but I sort of managed to get away with it. So stereo splitter, this one, the angled one is going to the guitar. This one is going to the microphone. And then the settings here, this is the important one, because this is just buying a splitter and the cable for your microphone and your guitar. Now the setting here, initially what we needed was this one, cry. I don't know what it's called really. It says cry, but because there's this mouth here, so I'm thinking it's like a vox wa or talk box. So I edited it. Range is 4, resolution is 9, sensitivity 7, balance 100, level 100. I think you can play around with these three combinations. You can either decrease and increase this on full range, but it worked for me, this one. The only problem I encountered was, so I got the amp here, which is Vox combo. You can change the amp there as well, whichever you prefer for your guitar. FD combo or Marshall MS 1959, MS Drive. It doesn't matter because you are trying to chase your sound of the guitar. All right, so it was a Vox combo and gain is 31, tube 30, level 100, treble 44, mid 50, bass 49, presence 53, cab 2x12 VX combo and output line. All of these, guys, you can change it. That doesn't really matter for now. And the problem I encountered, because those are the two, I got the Vox Wah or the cry and my amp. That's the first thing that I just did, but it's so quiet you won't be able to hear your voice and the guitar because of the splitter, I think. So I added this gray comp, or any compressor will do, but it seems like this one is the best for me personally. So gray comp, sustain 63, output 88. So if your Zoom G1xOn is not yet updated and you don't have that gray comp, you can use, you can use this one first. Yeah, you can use comp. It so happen I don't have booster there, but yeah, you can use this one, comp, it will work, or the opt comp, this one, the 160 comp, it will work because it's a compressor, but the best one is gray comp. And that's it. Improvised Vox Wah or the talk box. I don't know exactly how to use it. It was just requested if I can hack it. So this is the technique, the splitter and the Vox Wah and the gray comp, or any compressor will do. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it, guys. I'm not really expert on that one. It's my first time, to be honest. I've seen it. Slash did it. Richie Sambora of Bon Jovi is doing that as well, and many artists. But they're using like the tube, and then I think it's an MXR talkbox or something. Mine is just an improvised. And then when Sir Makmakatindig shared it to me, it was Arnell, I think. I forgot the name of the guy who did it. And he was using Zoom Player 3000. And that one got a microphone input. So, and it's got a MIDI input as well. So there's loads that you can do on that pedal. But with our pedal, the Zoom G1xOn, no, it's not intended for this use. Again, it's a hack. So we're just trying to improvise. That's it, guys. A few shout out. I know there's loads of you guys, and I may not be able to shout out all the names, but I'll just mention few of you, and those I missed out, just message me. I can do it anytime for my next video. Right. Obviously, Makmakatindig, Sir Beethoven Beat, Rob or Robert Clark, Angelico Palazzi, Bruce L, Sid Ijlal, Aeroslash, Sir JP Biloro, Sir Leon Banks, and a special mention to my good friend Ralph Awad. We've been friends for quite a while, but I haven't checked his channel. You guys, if you check his channel, he's a very good guitarist. Ralph Awad, really skilled guitarist. So that's all, guys. For those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that each time I get new videos, maybe a hack, another gear, then you get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Bye.
Yeah.